Good morning. Good morning. I am so excited this morning and feeling well. I read this morning that God is my fortress, and so I'm feeling very good. Very good. And I'm taking down these braids because I'm headed to Exquisite Locks. I'm headed to Kim to get my hair retightened. I think that I'm even more excited about getting my hair retightened because I am always doing somebody else's hair, and I just want to feel someone's hands in my hair. And it's that time again for me to get my hair retightened, and I'm looking forward to it. It has been a very good week. It's the middle of the week. And also, when you see this video, I would have already uploaded and premiered a video of a visit with Lena's Lovely Locks. I could not have predicted what a wonderful time we would have together. It is just wonderful meeting the YouTubers and subscribers for your channel. And I'd like to do that again with her and even someone else. So if that's something that you would like to do, Zoom with me, even if you don't want me to post it on YouTube, please let me know. And we can Zoom and talk and get to know each other. It's a wonderful experience. And I want to thank her for visiting with me. And I'd also like to thank my subscribers. Thank you so much for all that you've done to help promote and support this channel. I really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, I want you to know that there's always an open invitation for you to subscribe and become a part of the Gene G family. So go ahead and click that notification bell next to the subscribe button. Subscribe first and make sure you click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And I reiterate that because there's been times that I forgot to click the notification bell and I've been missing some videos. So make sure you do that. The next time you see me, it will be right before I go in. If I have to sit there a minute, then it might be right after my hair has been retightened. But I want you to have a wonderful day and let you know that I am looking forward to my retightening, and I'm also separating my hair at the roots. Now you can see what my hair looks like right here. It really needs some attention, and I'm going to show you the difference later, making sure. And I will be separating my hair more as I drive along in the car. I don't want any problems when she starts to retighten my hair. See you soon. Okay, I've made it to my destination. I am at Lock Innovations and getting ready to walk into Exquisite Locks. But I wanted you to know that while I was on the road, I received a text from Kim telling me, advising me to take my time in this messy weather because it's better to be safe than sorry. It's wonderful just to have a person in your life that not only cares about your hair, but also cares about you. And so I just want to say thank you, Kim. Thank you.
15 whole minutes
15 whole minutes.
That's a little bit much.
I never get it. Never. That's the only thing you deny me. Yeah. Okay. But it all looks good up there. You notice my little short lock that I lost a piece of in the front.
Yes.
I don't know which one it is. I don't even miss it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You almost have no black left.
I know. Though the back is a darker.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's okay.
All right, Mary.
Well, you got 2 more seconds. Okay, good. Guys, I am back in my car. In less than 2.5 hours, I am done. Hair has been retightened, and of course, I am so happy. I got to have a conversation with Flo, met one of her clients and someone that's also training. And yeah, this hair is looking so good. And I'll give you a 360 once I get home. Hey, I am back from my retightening appointment. I am so excited. Do you see this part right here? Do you see this part? I just want to know. Take a look. I'm just going to sit this here for a little bit. Now I'm going to let you see some other parts. My head is feeling so good right now and secure, and yeah. It's been good. No, I don't have to wear my hair on this side because of this part. If I want to, I can take it down the middle because that part is clean as well. If I want to, I can take it to the other side because that's clean as well. Yeah, I got it going on now. I might be like, somebody told me, I just let my Sisterlocks hang. So for a few days, I know I'm just going to let these Sisterlocks hang because they can. And they can hang in whatever direction they want to. There we go. I have to go out. I have to visit my brother-in-law. He's in the hospital. But I know as I'm walking around today, doing whatever I'm supposed to be doing, I am just going to walk with my hand. I'm going to walk with my head held high. But I do that anyway. Always do. Yeah, because my hair has been retightened. I love it. Kim did a wonderful job. The only way she falls short is that she does not, do that pulling of the hair and massaging my scalp with her fingers as long as I would like her to. I'm going to also ask my husband to do a length check because this is the beginning of year number 4. March 4th was my 3-year locaversary, which means I had Sisterlocks for 3 years. And now I need to do a length check. So I'm going to have my husband measure my hair in at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas of my hair to see how much growth I have. I know it's long and it's full. I believe that it is the fullness of my locks, the thickness of my locks that make it somewhat uncomfortable for me to sleep, and not just the length. Because I was told by someone whose hair is longer than mine that they can do it in the bonnet and they don't feel any discomfort at all. I slept in a bonnet once since doing the video on being comfortable when I sleep, and I'm going to place that link to the video right up here or here somewhere. So if you want to see that video about sleeping comfortably with long Sisterlocks, that they could sleep in a bonnet, but maybe that person does not have the thickness that I have. And then it's just what you prefer to do, or there are some things that affect me that won't affect you. And not everyone deal with challenges the same way. And what might be a challenge for me may not be a challenge for you. I'll let you see